this video, I want to show you how to check your statistics regarding any kind of campaign you have sent through your workflows. It can be an SMS campaign, email campaign, um, a mix of those. So let's go into our workflow. And this is a very good example. So for example, I have it here both an email and an SMS that we sent. This was already sent, so we have the results in here. What you will do is, for instance, if we want to check the email statistics first, we will click in here. And then here at the top, you'll see Edit Action and Statistics. Click on the second tab, and in here you have all of the results. So as you can see in here, we have 97% delivered, 31% open, 1% click, and so forth. If you click down below here, you'll see more statistics. For example, percent of accepted, store, rejected, complaint. These are very important results. But if you want to go further on the details, you will want to click in here. For example, view details. And in here, you'll see the full details for this. So as you can see, you'll be able to see name, email of the people who actually opened your email, to whom it was delivered. You can also see to whom, like which of those actually open your email, who of those actually click on it. So as you can see there, this is very useful information, and you are also able to export this. Now let's go back into the SMS, and again you have, if you want to check your SMS results, you have Edit Action, again statistics, and in here you can see that 80% of these were delivered, 4% click, and 90% of these were failed. For example, this information is what I will call useful, because in here you can understand what kind of problem was there. Like maybe it was a bad number, maybe something happened in there, or maybe, I don't know, like attempt to send to unsubscribed recipient. This is very important. So for example, this is something that you would like to address immediately, because this one has already subscribed. So I don't know, something happening here, right? Like you are missing the DND tab. Check all of this, make sure this doesn't happen again, and you can check all of this data in here, right? And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions, and see you in the next video. Bye.